Hello everyone. So we have seen conduction, convection and radiation. Let us see the combined modes of heat transfer. Like if they all are in one place and they are performing their actions, then what will happen? If there will be heat transfer by conduction, there will be heat transfer by convection, and there will be heat transfer by radiation. So let us understand it carefully. So my dear students, we are studying now combined modes of heat transfer. Combined modes of heat transfer. Okay. Suppose there are, let us say there is a plain wall, plain slab. We can say if there is a plain slab, and it is exposed to hot gases this side. So there are hot gases. There are hot gases. So if hot gases are here, so there will be some heat transfer from hot gases to the surrounding cold air. That is your cold air. Okay, cold air is there. So there will be heat transfer from this to this wall, by your convection. Okay, and again there will be conduction. There will be conduction in the plane slab, and again there will be your heat transfer by convection to the cold fluid. Okay, by convection to the cold fluid. Okay, my dear students. So in this, if you are taking a plane slab, then there is a heat transfer due to conduction and convection. Means both the modes of heat transfer, that conduction and convection, are playing the roles. So that is in plane slab, heat transfer will be by conduction and convection. Conduction and convection. Now let us say there we have the second example I am taking. Second example I am taking is your heat transfer in a casting taken out from the mold. So heat transfer in a casting taken out from the mold. So let us say guys, there is your some casting here. Maybe you have gone in your manufacturing processes, you have seen this. So in casting, so can I ask that how there will be heat transfer? So in casting there will be heat transfer by what? Because the casting will be having a high temperature when we are taking it. So as it is having high temperature, so there will be heat transfer by what? There will be heat transfer by radiation in all directions. This is your radiation. And secondly, there will be heat transfer by convection. There will be heat transfer by convection. So may I ask that will there be any heat transfer by conduction? I will say no, because casting is having your uniform temperature throughout. Uniform temperature throughout. As casting is having uniform temperature throughout, so there will not any be, because uniform temperature. So there will be no heat transfer, that is zero, by conduction. Okay. Now there can be good questions on this. These are the basics. Okay. Let us take third example, which is your molten metal poured in. Third is your molten metal poured in casting. So when we are pouring a molten metal, the temperature of that molten metal is very high. So temperature will be very high, T will be high. So there will be heat transfer by all modes of heat transfer, by all modes, that is your radiation, and second is your convection, and third one is your convection. Okay, my dear students, third one is your convection.